Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by backing up your iPhone and powering it down. This protects data and prevents short circuits. Once done, remove the SIM tray and case, then loosen the pentalobe screws near the charging port. Make sure to work on an anti-static surface and gather a suction cup, spudger, tri-point driver, and small containers for screws. Start prying the screen at the bottom edge with the suction to separate adhesive. Move slowly to avoid flex damage, while keeping track of which screws came from where. With the screen propped open like a book, support the display and remove the battery connector first so you don't create a short. Next, expose the home button bracket by removing its screws and gently lift the bracket. Then detach the home button flex connector using a plastic spudger. If cleaning, use isopropyl alcohol on a lint-free swab. If replacing, align the new flex and button into the slot carefully so the cable sits flat. Take your time here, because misalignment or over-tightening screws can break delicate parts. Once the new or cleaned home button is seated, reconnect the display and battery connectors in order and replace the metal brackets. Make sure each connector clicks into place so contact is solid. Reinstall all screws in their original positions, lower the screen and press evenly to reseal. Power the phone on and test the button for tactile response and Touch ID functionality. If the button is unresponsive or Touch ID fails, double-check the flex cable seating. Reboot the device, and if it still fails, consider a professional repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.